Welcome to FEELWORLD Monitor. This video will show you new model PVR732, 7-inch FPV monitor package list. The PVR732 is one of the FEELWORLD newest 7-inch wireless FPV monitor with built-in battery, 32-channel auto searching, high brightness, high resolution and DVR function. The package list include monitor, power adapter, antenna, sunshade, lead battery, manual. Package list card and manual. Sunshade. Power adapter. Two antenna. Lead battery. Now let's show you this new 7-inch wireless FPV monitor. High brightness sunlight readable, no blue screen, 5.8 GHz 32-channel auto search, with HDMI, video, audio input. Let's install battery, sunshade and antenna. Thank you for watching and thank you for buy FEELWORLD Monitor.